In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule meetings in HoneyBook, Booking Setup 2026. Let's get started by heading to honeybook.com. Open your browser, go to the site and sign into your account. The login is straightforward. Enter your credentials, and if you're prompted for any security verification, complete that quickly so your account stays secure. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see recent activity and access everything you need to manage your business. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll find all the tools you'll use most often. Take a moment to locate the Tools section. Go ahead and click Tools, and then choose Scheduler. This is where you'll set up the booking flow that clients will use to grab time on your calendar. Inside Scheduler, click New Session Type. Think of a session type as a template for a specific kind of meeting, like a discovery call, onboarding session, or project review. Creating a clear session type helps clients choose the right time and ensures you get the information you need. You'll edit 3 key areas: details, availability, and confirmation. In details, give your session a clear name and short description so clients know what to expect. Set the meeting duration and choose the location, whether it's a video call, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. If video is your choice, add the link location so it's included in your confirmations. You can also add a short internal note for yourself if that helps distinguish similar sessions. Next, open availability. Here you control when clients can book. Set the days and times you're available, your time zone, and any buffer time before or after meetings. It's also smart to set a minimum notice window, like requiring bookings at least a few hours in advance, so you're never caught off guard. You can limit how far into the future people can book and adjust time increments so your sessions align neatly with your schedule. Make sure your availability reflects your real calendar to avoid double booking. Finally, go to confirmation. Choose whether bookings are automatically confirmed or require your approval. Add a confirmation message and enable reminders so clients get notified before the meeting. You can also collect key details during booking, such as the client's name, email, and the purpose of the meeting, to come prepared. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish Session. You'll get a shareable booking link you can add to emails, your website, or proposals. Test it once to make sure the times and messages appear exactly as you expect, and you're ready to start booking with confidence.